Okay girls, quick question. Why do we always go to sleep looking normal and wake up looking completely different? Like, where did this frizz come from? Why is my ponytail pointing east and west at the same time? Why do my lips suddenly look dry? And why do I look more tired than when I actually went to bed? Because same. And the worst part, most of us don't have time for a 10-step beauty routine before school. But what if I told you? You could wake up tomorrow looking fresher, prettier, and way more put together, without waking up at 5 a.m., without a 10-step routine, and without turning your bathroom into a skincare laboratory. These are my favorite lazy girl overnight glow-up hacks that take less than 5 minutes tonight, but make a huge difference tomorrow morning. Hack number 1, the pretty hair trick. Let's start with hair, because can we agree? A good hair day fixes problems that aren't even related to hair. Bad grade, awkward day, life crisis. If you're tired of waking up with flat, messy hair, do this tonight. Lightly spray your hair with water, make 2 loose twists away from your face. Secure them with soft scrunches. That's it. Tomorrow morning you'll wake up with soft, effortless waves that look like you actually tried. Even though you absolutely didn't. And please, stop sleeping with super tight hairstyles. Your hairline deserves better. Hack number 2. The overnight clean girl glow mask. Doing foundation, concealer, and powder when you have exactly 4 minutes to leave the house is a death sentence. It always looks patchy and cakey under those horrible, bright classroom lights anyway. So, we are doing a skincare shortcut tonight. After washing your face, mix a big dollop of your favorite lightweight moisturizer with a tiny drop of pure aloe vera gel on the back of your hand. Slather a thick layer on your face like an overnight mask. While you sleep, your skin completely drinks it up. You will literally wake up tomorrow with that naturally plump, hydrated skin. So you can just skip face makeup entirely and look effortlessly put together. Hack number 3. The 10-second lip illusion. Finally, nobody wants dry, crusty lips during math class. To get that juicy, plumper look by tomorrow morning with zero effort, do this right before your eyes close. Put a generous, thick layer of your favorite lip balm or lip oil on. Then, take a lip liner that is just a tiny bit darker than your natural lips, and only shade the very center of your cupid's bow and the bottom lip. Smudge it slightly with your finger and leave it overnight. When you wake up, your lips look softer, smoother, and naturally healthier. No effort required. Exactly how we like it. Hack number 4. The secret beauty hack nobody talks about. Drink water. I know, boring advice. Nobody wants to hear it. But let's be honest. Some of us treat water like it's a limited edition product. Drink a glass before bed. Drink one when you wake up. Your skin, lips, and energy will thank you. And no, iced coffee does not count. Hack number 5. Look put together hack. Here's a secret. Most girls who look effortlessly pretty aren't doing more. They're just doing the basics consistently. Brush your hair, moisturize, use lip balm, keep your nails neat, sleep on time. That's it. Looking put together will always be trying too hard. So tonight, instead of spending 3 hours watching glow up videos, pick one hack. Just one. Because the girls who glow up the most aren't the girls doing everything perfectly. They're the girls doing small things consistently. And tomorrow morning, when you wake up looking fresher, softer, and more confident, remember to come back and thank me. And if you love realistic beauty tips, schoolgirl glow-ups, and becoming the best version of yourself, don't forget to subscribe and join our little glow-up corner. I'll see you in the next video.